Hey, Jeff Moody here, Jeff Moody MD, jeffmoodymd.com, jeffmoody.com. In today's Talking About Burnout video tip, we're going to talk about lions and tigers and bears. Oh my, no, we're going to talk about meditation, yoga, and crayons. Oh really? Are those actually treatments for burnout? And I'm not impugning the use of assisted techniques in the treatment or the resolution of burnout. But I think those techniques in and of themselves, without inherent change within a person and without an interactive change within the system, are really just band-aid techniques to help perhaps maybe improve someone's momentary stress level, but it's not a global, systemic, and personal change. We're big advocates at Burnout Recovery for You and jeffmoodymd.com of looking at the entire picture for the person, their work environment, their financial, social, spiritual, health, physical fitness, nutrition, sleep, supplements, all of those things, to get those optimized to help the person, then to help their work environment and to work with the system in which they are working. Is it a solo practitioner? Is it a group practice? Is it working for a hospital system? Because now more than 50% of physicians, for the first time in 2016, more than 50% of physicians are employed by systems. So in all those different scenarios, we want to maximize those things. And we do use those tools. I would say those are tools or techniques. Those are not a end-all be-all for getting yourself to the point where you can start to recover from burnout. So lions and tigers and bears, yeah, they can be exciting and dangerous. But I do think meditation and yoga and art are useful in the grand scheme of the picture of a burnout recovery program. So use those tools. It's like anything else in your toolbox. And in your toolbox as a surgeon or a physician, you have a toolbox of things you use to help people. Those are all within your toolbox. Let's get your toolbox full of tools, and then you put those to work, okay? So great to spend this time with you. If you like this video, please head on over to our YouTube channel and sign up for that, and come visit us at jeffmoodymd.com and our Facebook page, Jeff Moody MD, as well, so we can connect and get you recovered. At our website, you will have a chance to look at my book, The Doctor's Burned Out, A Physician's Guide to Recovery, as well as our Burnout Recovery for You online course and any other speaking and consulting services we can provide for you. We're thrilled that you're here, and until the next video, remember, burnout recovery is for you.